Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can enable or disable the filter messages in Line Messenger app. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time now. Open the Line Messenger app on your phone. After you open it, what you need to do is click on Home, which you see on the bottom left hand corner of your screen. Then go to Settings, click on the gear icon on the top right hand corner and click on Privacy. After you do so, you can find the filter messages. By enabling this setting, you can reject messages which is not sent by your friend. So any type of messages which is sent to you, you can disable it. So you can just go ahead and enable this function, and no person or no people besides your friends who you are friends with in Line cannot message you. So if they try to message you, they cannot message and their message will automatically be deleted and they will be notified that you can't send this person a message unless you are a friend of them. So I'm going to show this process to you once again. Click on Home, go to Settings and click on Privacy. After that, enable the filter messages and you will now have filter messages, and Line will automatically reject the messages if they are not sent by your friends. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.